Hi folks, Matt Smith with Smith Sales Company Auctioneers. I am in this Volvo, the Volvo 110E, and you can see it has the first through fourth in automatic, and she shifts nice. I guess if I put it in automatic. This loader has an engine issue, and you can hear it kind of making noise. So basically that's why I decided just to video it while I was driving out. But anyways, the loader itself feels pretty nice. It certainly feels good. It's not a lot of play in it. Up down seems good. It's got the quick attach. So there we go. We finally got a little gear on us there. Now we're gonna have the key out of this, so I mean, I'll video it. There's really no point to run it any longer than we have to. I guess if I put it in neutral, it stops. The door opens and shuts nice. Overall, the machine is a good looking machine. Definitely has an engine issue. One of these tires I saw, I'll video it back there, but anyways, has quick attach. All right, folks, this loader will be sold on Sunday, May 11th. It's located here in Miles City, Montana, and thank you for looking.